This was our 2019 Nissan NV200, and we traded that in for this 2013 E250 passenger van and some cash to build our van. The van's previous life was a shuttle bus for a hotel. It's never been used for anything else until now. The real adventure shall begin, and I can't wait to get this van finished so we can hit the road. I really like the stairs there to go in. It makes it super easy to get in and out. It has a nice high top with storage space in there, and I can stand up all the way. I love all these little storage spots here. In the very back, you can see the rear air conditioning and heating unit. And when I first saw the wood framework and material, I fell in love with the van. I had to have this one. Being a passenger van, it's fully insulated and it's got a good thick layer. That would have been a huge project if it had been a cargo van. So the seats are out. That was a huge project. My nephew Jeremy came over and helped David remove the seats. The seats were bolted through a super thick piece of plywood and underneath the van. So after they were removed, David had to make sure that all of the holes were plugged. This is the pattern that we picked for the floor, and it's almost completely installed. So that's the underneath side of the bed, and the bed is in now. We're hoping that this is going to be long enough for us to sleep in. David's working hard out here getting the kitchen sink in. Let's go take a look. Oh, there it is. Pretty cool. Look at that. I am recording that. Let's go in and take a look. Oh, you scared me. Oh, look. There's the faucet. Sink. Getting the cabinet in. Yep. It's looking really good. Got the wheels and tires on, and we've got both ladders on the van, and we've finally received our solar system, including our damaged battery that we had to send back, but it's all up and on the van. You know, we've measured over and over. That scared me. Move that over a little bit.
First, hold on. Oops. See, I moved it over and looked perfect with my line. Okay, there's one. I gotta get that out of there.
Chunks in there.
Huh?
The chunkies in there. Look.
Fiberglass. Okay, I need something I can poke this out of there.
Okay.
A little. See, I have a thing here. I just need like a little something I could.
David built this cabinet. It's got the batteries inside of it, plus a cubby hole. And then the refrigerator, freezer will go on top of that. And here's a picture of our new little mini bike. We've got 2 of those now. And the rack to put it on the back of the van with so we can take them along. Thanks for watching Oregon Van Life. I hope you enjoyed it, and we will see you soon.